Find top-quality truck bed air mattresses designed for ultimate comfort and convenience. Made from high-grade materials, they provide a stable and plush sleeping surface that fits snugly in your truck bed. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best truck bed air mattresses you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which outdoor recreation topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Gotidy Truck Bed Air Mattress stands out as a top choice for truck bed camping, earning its spot as the 5th best truck bed air mattress on the market. Constructed from durable polyvinyl chloride, this mattress features an upgraded wireless portable air pump that eliminates the need for cumbersome charging cables or connections to a cigarette lighter. This innovation allows you to inflate the mattress effortlessly and enjoy a restful night even in the midst of your adventures. The mattress is designed with high-quality PVC flocking fabric, offering a soft yet firm sleeping surface that's both skin-friendly and resilient. With a robust weight limit of 600 pounds, it comfortably accommodates 2 to 3 people, ensuring ample space and support for a cozy camping experience. Its wear and puncture resistance makes it suitable for various weather conditions, enhancing its year-round usability. When it's time to pack up, the mattress's easy deflation and compact storage design make it convenient to stow away, maximizing your truck's interior space for other gear. The Joytutus Truck Mattress for Camping 2.0 stands out as a premier choice for truck bed air mattresses, earning its spot as the number 4 best option on the market. Designed with a practical and durable structure, this mattress features a clever cavity design with 3 independent air chambers. This unique setup minimizes the risk of air leakage and enhances overall durability, ensuring long-lasting use. Its surface is lined with plush, velvet-like flocking fabric, offering an exceptionally soft and cushy feel. The bottom layer, constructed from high-quality PVC, further prevents air leakage and enhances stability. For added convenience, the mattress includes a water cup holder at the head, 2 small pillows for comfort, and an emergency repair kit, making it ideal for extended road trips and camping adventures. The Joytutus mattress is engineered for quick inflation with its upgraded spiral air valve, reducing air leakage by 30%. It comes with a 2-in-1 car air pump, compatible with both plug and cigarette lighter sockets, simplifying the inflation process. Capable of supporting up to 400 pounds, this mattress ensures a comfortable and reliable sleeping surface wherever your travels take you. The Tecoom Truck Bed Air Mattress, ranked as the 3rd best truck bed air mattress, stands out for its thoughtful design and high-quality construction. Crafted from thickened Oxford cloth and PVC, this mattress is built to endure rugged use and prevent punctures. Its 3-layer leak-proof valve ensures durability and consistent inflation. The mattress features a flocked surface that is soft and skin-friendly, complemented by a non-slip texture for added safety. Its multi-point support and stripe design offer even weight distribution, enhancing comfort and supporting the spine during rest. Designed with practicality in mind, the Tecoom mattress includes grooves that fit snugly around wheel wells, keeping it securely in place. The adjustable firmness allows users to customize their comfort by controlling the inflation level. It supports up to 600 pounds, making it suitable for 2 to 3 people. Installation is hassle-free with the included 12V electric air pump, which comes with a 115-inch cord for easy reach. The Umbrauto Truck Bed Air Mattress stands out as a top choice for full-size truck bed comfort. Crafted specifically for 5.5 to 5.8-foot truck beds, this mattress is an ideal solution for those seeking a cozy and durable sleeping surface on the go. The mattress is constructed with a plush, flocked top for added comfort and a sturdy PVC layer that ensures excellent support. The 2024 model features a robust 210T grid fabric on the bottom, offering superior resistance to punctures and air leakage, enhancing its overall durability. With a remarkable weight capacity of 600 pounds, the mattress is designed to comfortably accommodate 2 to 3 people, making it perfect for camping trips or roadside rest stops. It includes multiple internal wave straps to maintain even support and stability. The package is comprehensive, coming with an electric air pump powered by a 3-meter cable for easy inflation directly from your truck's cigarette lighter socket. Additional accessories include repair patches and a storage bag for convenient packing and maintenance. Elevate your truck bed experience with the Sunsdrew Truck Bed Air Mattress, the top choice for comfort and practicality. Designed with an integrated pillow, this mattress eliminates the need for extra pillows, offering superior neck and head support. Its compact, foldable design makes it easy to store and transport, perfect for spontaneous adventures and camping trips. Crafted from high-quality PVC flocking fabric, the Sunsdrew mattress features a durable wave pattern that ensures resistance to abrasion, punctures, and leaks. You can tailor your comfort by inflating one side for a traditional home-like experience or both sides for a 45-degree sleeping pillow. This versatile mattress is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, ideal for camping, traveling, and even as a temporary guest bed. The 2-in-1 car air pump simplifies inflation and deflation, taking just 1 to 2 minutes to fill or fold away. The mattress custom fits 5.5 to 6.5 foot pickup trucks and supports up to 800 pounds, comfortably accommodating 2 to 3 adults. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.